So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with our brand new DSA series challenge. It's our phase 1 and we are focusing on the problems of arrays. So guys, today we have got a problem named sort colors, in which we are given an array containing integers 0, 1 and 2, which are represented by colors in this array, and we need to sort them. Okay, so let's see the algorithm or the approaches. So the first thing that comes to our mind is sorting. Since it is given sort colors, so we can sort it. So the complexity we will take around O of n square, or if we use the sort which is given in the C++ STL, it will be around n log n. Okay. The next approach which we can use is merge sorted arrays. Yes, we can take three arrays and we can have zeros in the first, ones in the second, and twos in the third. And then we can apply the logic of merge sort arrays and we can merge it. So it will take the space complexity of around O of n, but the time complexity will be around O of n. So is there any more optimized approach? Yes, the approach we will be using is Dutch national flag algorithm, which is kind of a three-pointer approach. So we will have 3 pointers. One is low, one is mid, and other is high. So simply there are three cases. We will use mid pointer uh, generally. So if ARR of mid is 0, or it can be 1, or it can be 2. So we will start mid and low from first position, that is 0th index, and we will keep high at the end, that is at n minus 1th index. So if ARR of mid is 0, then we will swap ARR of low with ARR of mid and increment both low and mid pointers. If it is 1, we will just increment mid. If it is 2, then we will swap ARR of mid and ARR of high and just decrement high. We will not increment mid this time. Uh, you can think of it like a case. Okay, so suppose if ARR of high is 0 and we swapped ARR of mid and ARR of high, and if we also incremented ARR of mid, sorry, if we also incremented mid, that will be wrong, right? Because the 0 has to be swapped with low index, ARR of low. So yeah, guys, let's see the code or the dry run. So as we can see that we have simply used a while loop. We have simply used a while loop and we have put three conditions. If mid nums of mid is 0 or 1, or either it is 2. Okay, so in this example also you can see that in the first iteration this and this will get swapped, and in the second so the array will look something like this, and since it is 0, so they will get swapped, and when again mid will come to 2, so this and this will get swapped and the array will eventually get sorted. So yeah guys, this was all about this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, make sure you press the like button, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.